Good morning. Today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on how to get into ManageBac and um, how to update your documentation of all of your service, activity, and creativity experiences and projects. Um, a while ago in August, you got an email in your Lincoln email from ManageBac welcoming you to the site. If you don't know where that email is, you can search in your Lincoln email for the word ManageBac and it should pop right up. It should, let's see it right here. You will have an email that says welcome to ManageBac. It's not from me, it's not from anyone at Lincoln, it came straight from ManageBac. If your iPad or if you don't know how to access your Lincoln email, you need to get used to doing that. You can go to this website here, outlook.office365.com. You should automatically be logged in because it's connected to your Haiku. Find the email from ManageBac and click the link to set up a password. Sometimes there's a very strange glitch from ManageBac. I don't know why it happens, but it says that the link has already been used, even if you don't remember setting up your account. If that's the case, no big deal. Just click on Forgot Password and do a password reset, and it'll send you an email to your Lincoln account. All right, so I'm going to walk through this process. This is my Gmail because I had to use a fake account. This is what the email will look like. Welcome to ManageBac. When you search for ManageBac, it should come right up, and it says Lincoln School, welcome to ManageBac. Okay, and you'll see it's from info@managebac.com. It's not from us here at Lincoln. It's automated. When I go to the email, it says, please click the link below to set your password and sign in. So I'm going to click that link. And now this is where it welcomes me. You should see the Lincoln logo. Some of you will have a green bar that says this link has already been used. Like I said, if that's the case, just reset your password. But I'm going to start an account now. Oops. I think that's it. Set my password. Okay, now it's been set. I can log in. I'm using my Gmail, like I said. You will use your Lincoln email account. So it's whatever your username is, @lincoln.ed.cr. What did I just put? I'm going to hit remember me for 30 days so that I don't have to log out. Okay, so now it brings you here. It should say, hi, and then I'll have your first name. My first name on this account is Sample Student, so it'll say, hi, Maria, or hi, Juan, whatever. So when you get here, this is where you're going to start entering your stuff, your experiences. You're going to click on IB Manager right over here on the left-hand side, and then you're going to click CAS. That's going to bring you to a place that's called CAS Worksheet. I know CAS is for diploma students, and we at non-diploma students are doing something called CLAS, Character, Leadership, Advocacy, and Service. But that doesn't matter because we can't actually change it on ManageBac to say CLAS instead of CAS. So just click into the CAS worksheet. Don't worry about the nomenclature, or nomenclature, whatever that word is. And then you're going to hit Add CAS Experience, because right now this is your main CAS worksheet, but there's nothing on it. So you need to start populating it with your experiences. Well, I'm going to be doing CrossFit. That is an activity because it's exercise, right? This is your painting, your music, all of your creativity. Service is obvious. That's when you're helping others. And you need a variety of creativity, action, and service. Creativity, activity, and service. I'm not going to click anything here because I'm not doing service. I am going to say that this is ongoing because I don't just do CrossFit once, and it's individual. So you're going to check whichever ones are relevant to you. I'm going to say I started this at the beginning of the school year, and I'm going to go until Christmas break. I'm going to do a full semester of CrossFit once a week. For now, I'm going to leave my supervisor name and title, all of this stuff blank. I would like to improve my health and get stronger. You do a description and goals, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to write that now, but your description and goals should be a bit longer and more in depth. I intend, here's my learning outcomes: strength and growth, initiative, and challenge. Actually, no, I'm not going to do initiative, but commitment and perseverance. These are the things that I'm addressing by doing CrossFit. Add CLAS experience. So now I have a worksheet for CrossFit only. You'll see here it says the name of the activity, the experience, okay? It has the learning outcomes that I've identified. Here's a message board that your supervisor can communicate to you with. They can say, no, sorry, that's not approved, or they can say it is approved. But as I go, I need to document my reflections and my evidence. I can't just say I'm doing CrossFit. I need to prove that I did CrossFit. So I go over here and I click Add New Reflection and Evidence. If you're on the iPad, it will be on the bottom of the page, not on the top left. Here, I'll show you again. CrossFit, right here on the right-hand side. All of this stuff on the iPad will be on the bottom of the page. But for the computer, if you're using a laptop, it'll be right there. Notice you can use a journal, you can upload a website, you can upload a video or link to a video, you can upload photos, or you can upload files. So I'm just going to say right here, I started out doing 10 push-ups a day, but now I can do 100. I am proud of the growth. Can't type. I am seeing in my body, and I am learning that I can do anything as long as I stick with it. You can write these in English or Spanish, depending on what language your advisor speaks. This is showing me commitment and perseverance, and I'm showing that I'm doing new challenges. I could also go here. My journal is written. I can also go and add photos. I don't have any photos on my laptop right now to put up there. Here, I'll just do, this is us teaching the students how to use Turnitin. I know I'm not actually doing CrossFit, but I could do a little caption. This is me flipping a tire in my CrossFit class. Add new entry. Processing. Go back into here. Reflections and evidence. There's my picture. It doesn't look like my journal actually saved, so I'm going to go back here. Obviously, your reflection will be more detailed, but I'm just trying to get you to see. You'll notice that there's text here and there's also a picture. And that's pretty much it. Every time you do a different activity, you go back to your main worksheet and you hit Add CAS Experience. As time goes on, you're going to start to see a list on your worksheet. And each activity will have its own reflections. That's how you organize things. If you need me, you can send me an email at mlampinen@lincoln.ed.cr, or you can come into my office and I will help you if you need it. Thank you very much.